Hey guys, I'm getting ready to head to work. So before I do, I wanted to show you some new things here at the property that we're working on. I'm hoping this weekend after Thanksgiving, I can do these stairs and create that landing right there and come this way and redo that. And then we already have the new railing to put up and everything. And then of course you've seen the opening that Art had cut open and all that. And then we've got the live edge piece that will be our bar top right here. We're in the process of moving everything out, and where this door was busted, you know, the frame is busted and everything. So we did purchase this door the other day. So we finally have our front door. We do have a new really cool knob, electrical fingerprint access type thing. So I can't wait to get this installed to show you guys. And then of course the wall that they put up for the laundry room, for now we've put the elliptical in here just because we have nowhere else that we can put this at the moment. But we will be building a doorway here, of course. It's going to be a Murphy door so that it looks like a bookcase from the outside. And then of course we'll drywall all of this in, put the elliptical up against the wall somewhere. Art has been painting in here. And eventually, of course, we're gonna redo these floors. But for right now, we're just trying to get stuff moved from the other house over to this one. So the washer and dryer, we're still debating exactly how we're gonna do that, because technically the washer would be best here and the dryer would be best over here where it has an outlet. But we had originally planned to stack them like we have them in the other house so that we would have more space in here, and so that I could leave the elliptical down here, because we really don't have any more space for the elliptical and I still need to be able to get in my workouts. So anyway, we're still trying to figure that part out. The bathroom hasn't changed much since the last time we showed you guys. Still needs a lot of work, but we've got bigger issues, bigger fish to fry in the meantime. So anyway, look back at all of that. The kitchen, we've been moving all kinds of things out here. Of course, right now, this is Art's tool station, but eventually this will be the built-in banquette right here. And then we've already moved our deep freezer and a bunch of stuff from the other house. So this will be all kitchen cabinets and my appliances and everything one of these days. Could be a while for all of that stuff. So there's a look back at all of that. And then let me show you the back patio. I'd really love to get the railing up and get the stairs up, but that's going to be a while as well, because we've been working on the water issues to get water to the camper so that we can be living out here full time. And so Art, I'm going to take you down there to him in just a second, but he is working on the water issue. It's probably about the 6th issue we've had with the water, and hopefully this is the final one. We said a prayer this morning together, praying that this is the final issue and that it will resolve everything. So this is just the beginning of the deck. If the weather is nice, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so if the weather stays like it is right now, we would like to have our family over here. We're not doing our formal Thanksgiving until Saturday at Art's daughter's house, but tomorrow for actual Thanksgiving, we wanted to just have everybody come out and just hang out at least. So, or at least whoever can come out. So anyway, we've got it kind of set up right here for now. And then of course, Art's told you guys in other videos that he is going to do like a step down and extend the deck out to the end of the house. So, and then we want to do the black, metal, the horizontal, you know what I'm talking about. I'll pop up a picture of it, but anyway, around here. And just look at that view though. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, let's go upstairs real quick. So one thing we have moved a lot of is a lot of my indoor plants. Not all of them, but several. So I like it. It does make it feel a little homey in here. even though we don't have flooring or anything yet, but at least we have a bed and refrigerators and stuff, right? So, oh, I came up here for Art's laundry. So we're still doing our laundry in Owasso because until we get the water issue resolved, there's no point in bringing the washer and dryer out here yet. So let me run this stuff down to the car.
Videos on that.
I know, yeah. Look at that lovely water. Yeah.
Want a drink?
No, thank you. Gross.
It's only been in there since 2012.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, there's no way you'd shower in this.
Okay. Here are the new lines that Art had to dig. We're gonna go see if we can find him. I think he's down here in the hole.